Hello, everybody. This is a quick review of the Hampton Inn in Bakersfield, California. First, let's start with the location. It's just under 3 minutes away from downtown Bakersfield. It's also very close to the Mechanics Bank Arena, and the convention center is just 3 miles away. Relax by the outdoor pool and hot tub, or you could get a workout in the fitness center. Three different walkers, two bicycles, some more free weights. So, yeah, pretty nice equipped. There's some of the rules. Yep, very nice. There is a snack stand. You could charge items to your room or use a credit card, and it has a microwave as well. You have free breakfast here in the morning from 6 to 10ish. You have a waffle station. Here they had eggs and cheese, sausage and potatoes. Oatmeal is over here. Cereal and a juice machine. Self-parking is available and is free. What are you doing? Oh, help me. Really? Number 3.
Are you actually?
Nanny?
You're really recording when you
No, no,
You're
no.
really filming a YouTube video.
Oh,
What if I jump again?
you did not jump.
I was boxing. So, hello guys. This is basically, it smells good for me.
To the
My backpack right now.
Huh?
What's the thing? What's the number?
305.
305. Wait, we just passed it.
No.
Oh, 305 is this one. Oh, look, we're a ticket. A ticket again. Oh my God, moving in again.
Go, Danny.
Bed test!
Bed test. That's the bed test.
Wait, one more.
Here's a TV, good size TV, and we have a microwave, a coffee maker, and I believe this should be the refrigerator. Okay, it's cold, so it's working. And then you have 3 drawers on this side. There's one more connectivity to regular plugs, then to USB as well. And there's 2 more USBs on the clock. And yes, this is room 305. And here's the restroom. Has a bathtub.
And we got a soap.
There's a soap.
Soap video. Soap video. So my dad forgot to yes, I'm gonna do it. So down here we have a few tabs with an balance so you do so the stay can so you have stay, and there is a big pool.
We could see the pool from
And
here.
there is
A hot tub, right?
A hot tub.
Yeah, so this is our view from room 305.
Wait, this is room 305.
Yes, sir.
And I think
Come on. Go, 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 go.
this is how to make the one all the way down, and this is how to make this up.
Nice. And there's one more on the other side.
Oh, there's another one.
Keep doing it, keep doing it. Just to make it dark.
There's another one.
Keep going, keep going. There you go.
Like that.
Wow. what?
Guys,
Are
you
you
gonna
didn't-
do this? Hi.
Why you got sunglasses?
Because I took mom's and she didn't allow me.
But what?
Hey guys, don't try this in the real pool. You might break your head and you might break your ankles.
A ver.
Because I jumped in by land because my feet is
Alright.
always out.
Okay.
So you guys never do this at home.
I said wait. And that's the review of the newest Hampton Inn here in Bakersfield, California. Overall, it is very solid option and we appreciate how well maintained and clean the room was. If you have stayed here before or have another spot here in Bakersfield, please let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.